Hey TTC family, it's Miss T here and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be learning how to spell and write the word Friday. So the word Friday have 6 letters and those letters are F, R, I, D, A, Y. And F, R, I, D, A, Y spells the word Friday. Now, on the count of 3, I want you guys to spell the word Friday with me. 1, 2, 3. F, R, I, D, A, Y spells the word Friday. Nice job. So now we're going to move on and now write the word Friday. So the first letter in the word Friday is F. The second letter is R. The third letter is I. The fourth letter is D. The fifth letter is A. And then the sixth letter is Y. And Friday spells the word Friday. Nice job. Let's go ahead and write the word Friday one more time together, friends. So the first letter in the word Friday is F. After F, we have R. After R, we have I. After I, we have D. After D, we have A. And then after A, we have Y. And Friday spells the word Friday. Nice job, TTC family. Now it's time to tell Miss T. So in the comments below, I want you to let Miss T know what you are most excited about doing this weekend. All right, TTC family, bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey TTC family, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.